Now, after spending a bit of time walking around in a gallery, I've found that sometimes, they're fairly empty. Now, is that because people are sort of frightened about coming in, high prices, whatnot? What I've found is that a little bit of a search on Mojato showed me that there's actually something called prints where you can get work at really, really affordable prices. I know I'm sitting here acting like a gallerist. I'm sure there's a lot of work that goes into running a gallery, but you don't need to run away from it. You just need to go and discover the world of prints.
Mojato gives you a range of artwork to choose from with an equally diverse price range. But we're also out to demolish any myth that original is all you need to click on. Just look out for this option and the world of digital prints will open up, where the same artwork is available with a drastic drop in price. The reason? Well, unlike the original, you won't be the only one who owns it. And if you like getting touchy and feely with art, the surface texture, especially where multiple layers of paint have been applied, won't edge out. But it's a great way to start surrounding yourself with art on your walls, and it's a secure process. Once you give the order, our back-end printing team sizes the image according to your choice, and the most high-quality ink is used to make sure there is no drop in sharpness or color. As opposed to a printout, this is a slow process and takes up to 20 minutes to roll out, with the option of printing on canvas or paper. While original work done in oil or acrylic will have to be printed on canvas, sketches, drawings and watercolor paintings look sweet enough on paper. So go ahead and indulge.
Having said that, and I feel like such a hypocrite, but there are 2 galleries that have brought their work on Mojato this March, and I'm going to go and meet Rahul to find out more. Hi Rahul.
Hi Charles, how are you?
Quite the morning you're spending, lovely light in a gallery. You seem to be quite at home these places. Huh?
Am I not?
Yeah, and having a chai of, wow, quite a colourful cup.
It's an artwork by Paresh Maiti.
Oh, wow.
And he's one of the artists that is represented in the show today.
In this gallery
This gallery.
Okay.
The show is called Collective Intent 6. So let's talk a little bit.
The one on Mojato.
Yes, it's a show on Mojato. Show is really it's a group show, and it brings in the best of Indian art, and the philosophy is bring in sort of a wide variety of established masters, seniors and upcoming artists, and therefore the title of the show is Collective Intent. The kind of artists that are represented here, there is, of course, M.F. Hussein's very, very significant work. There is the works of A.R. Ramachandran. There is works of then the contemporaries, of course, Jitish Kalat. There is work of Bose Krishnamacharya right behind us. And then there are upcoming artists like Deepak Madhukar Sonar, like Ranjit Singh, and different medias. There is works of Trupti Patel, there are bronze sculptures. So it's a real sort of wide variety, but very strong works and expressions in sort of their own respects. So that's the show that we have on Mojato as well.
And I think when I was browsing through, I sort of saw something in Calcutta. I mean, there's a connect to Calcutta this sort of week,
right.
This month as well.
Absolutely. So there is a show, there is a gallery called Akar Prakar, which is having a very significant sort of celebration of work.
I like that name, Akar Prakar ke ye hota hai, wo hota hai. That's what.
Charles, that's Hindi, and that's not your thing. So yeah, right. No, seriously. So, what they have is a solo of S.H. Raza. He sort of studied in India but went to Paris, and he was doing wide variety of sort of different works. He was doing landscapes and other things, but he then realized, around 60s, 70s, that he truly wanted to get India and the Indian culture into his work. And then he started sort of working on what we sort of see the current contemporary body, and that's when he sort of figured the Bindu. That's the solo body of work, not a very large collection, but very significant and important collection.
That's the most wonderful thing that, like this might be in Calcutta, Anu, and the fact is that you still don't need to go there. You just need to come to Mojato. We bring it all to you. It's all happening in the online world. You can just sit, have a chai, walk around, browse, and buy some lovely artwork. World of Mojato.